Well, I had a pretty hardcore 15-year addiction, did a lot of damage to my bone. Wound up with dentures when I was 30. I also got sober when I was 30 and wore dentures for 35 years. So till I was about 65, 66. The last 20 years was bad. And the first probably 15 years, I had no idea about the effects of zinc in your body. And I was wearing the, denture adhesive with zinc. And so I had some problems with that. Got off of that, started doing the zinc-free stuff, but still just, being married to that denture adhesive and always with my bone loss and all the stuff that was going on in my mouth, it was always a problem getting fitted dentures. I could never get to a place where, I could just settle in. I always had to replace dentures, go back, get refitted. Always, having to go through a ton of denture adhesive to keep them in place. My wife's got a funny story. One time I was preaching and my dentures shot out of my mouth. I caught them midair, put them back in my mouth, never missed a beat, kept right going. So, it was good not to have to worry about that. It was always awkward. And they would, they'd move around sometimes when I'm having conversations with people or whatever. And so, you're always a little self-conscious about that. And sometimes it would affect your speech, and not be able to articulate your words well and speak the way you need to speak. Just the ongoing thing of having the dentures in your mouth, getting loose after you eat, they're loose, all that. So, not to mention the bone loss, it caused. Wearing those dentures for all those years. So, and I've known Dr. Bean for a long time. And so I went in, I have a ministry where we help addicts and stuff. And so I went in with someone one day and just happened to be there. And he said that he had these new procedures. He'd like to see if he could work with me. So we did. He actually approached me. And so, like I say, I was there one day. And I was struggling, I think, that day with my teeth or whatever, and and he approached me. He said, I think we can, possibly do something here. To be able to have the prospect of getting rid of those things, and I told Dr. Bean the day we got these in, I had that tube of Fixodent in my pocket. I said, we just got a divorce. If you can pull it off, if you can get it done, you should do it. It'll change your life.